How to create a QR code for free in Canva on Android browser. This tutorial shows you how to build one using Canva's built-in QR code app. First, open your browser and go to canva.com on your Android device. From there, tap Create a Design or open an existing design you want to add a QR code to. After that, tap Apps on the sidebar. At this point, search for QR code in the search bar. Following this, tap on the QR code app once it appears. From here, paste or type the URL you want the QR code to link to. At this stage, tap Generate. Once generated, a QR code will appear on your design, ready to resize or reposition wherever you'd like. Following this, once you're happy with the placement, tap Share at the top right if you want to download just that design. From here, tap Download, then confirm the file type before saving it to your device. That's how you create a QR code for free in Canva on Android browser. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.